Elon Musk is the chief executive officer of several companies, including SpaceX, Tesla, Neuralink, and The Boring Company. He is known for pushing the limits of innovation in various industries, including exploring space, the development of electric vehicles, brain-computer interfaces, and tunneling technology. If given a chance, no one on the entire planet would pass up the chance to learn from Elon Musk. The fact that he is able to accomplish tasks that the majority of people can only dream about makes him an outstanding project manager. At this moment in time, Elon Musk is the greatest and most innovative project manager that can be found anywhere in the globe. Musk's leadership and vision have inspired many people, whether it be via his grand visions to colonize Mars or his efforts to revolutionize the transportation business with the Hyperloop. Now, before we start with our session, if you like this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, never to miss an update from the Invensis Learning channel. Also, if you're looking for an online training certification in PMP, check out the link given in the description box below. So, without any further ado, let's get started with our video. Let's talk about 10 lessons we can learn about project management from Elon Musk, one of the most successful business people. The first lesson is to set ambitious goals. Elon Musk is famous for motivating his staff to attain high objectives by establishing challenging targets for them. Musk has high standards for himself and his team, and he wants them to always live up to those standards. It might mean anything from sending a rocket into space to founding an environmentally responsible energy firm. While working on a project, you often get the impression that every concept has been considered and every possible solution has been tried. Always keep an open mind and hunt for a solution by linking different ideas from different places. To create new and improved answers, you should begin by linking existing ideas in clever ways. The work of Elon Musk demonstrates the benefits of combining many innovative concepts to create something completely new. His work draws comparisons between traveling through space and around the world, between having a conversation and driving a car, and between the human brain and technology. Some of the suggestions might appear very out there, but in reality, they are rather creative and perceptive. The second lesson is to lead by example. Musk is well known for his hands-on management style and ability to inspire others by setting a good example. He frequently works long hours alongside his colleagues. This demonstrates to the other team members that the leader is just as committed to the project as they are, which helps to establish the atmosphere for the rest of the team. Musk is renowned for putting in long hours at the office and wants his team to do the same. This not only guarantees that everyone is working as effectively as they possibly can, but it also helps to create a high standard for performance overall. The third lesson is to prioritize communication and adaptability. Musk is renowned for his ability to maintain open lines of communication with his employees and to keep everyone aware of the objectives and achievements of the organization. This guarantees that everyone is working toward the same goals and has the same understanding of what those goals are. In addition, the businesses that Musk founded are well known for their adaptability and quickness to respond to new challenges and opportunities. Because of this, they are able to keep ahead of their competitors and maintain their relevance in a market that is always shifting. The fourth lesson is to create a sense of purpose. Musk's businesses are led by a sense of purpose and mission, which encourages staff and keeps them focused on the organization's objectives. Members of the team will likely be interested in their work and driven to achieve success if the efforts of the team are aligned with a greater purpose. Learning is something that should continue after you graduate from high school or college, and the same is true for project managers. The project's environment is characterized by the coexistence of several cultures, languages, and mentalities at different locations inside a single organization. This necessitates that the project managers get familiar with the operations of the project, identify any potential hazards, and search for solutions. This practice is absolutely necessary to ensure the success of the project. Elon Musk is a wonderful illustration of this point. He is a firm believer in the value of ongoing self-improvement, whether it takes the form of intensive reading or the exploration of innovative approaches, technology, and methods. The fifth lesson is about how to put together a good team. No matter what you're working on or what you have to get done, if you have a strong team behind you, you can always get more done in less time. Elon Musk was quoted as saying that making the incorrect recruiting decision for a position can have disastrous effects in terms of the amount of money and time that is well spent. Because of this, he conducts personal interviews with prospective new workers to ensure that the correct individuals are chosen to fulfill the standards and his vision. Musk is always seeking for fresh and creative approaches to address existing challenges and enhance product development at his firms. He pushes the members of his team to think outside the box and come up with new ideologies in order to push the limits of what is achievable. The sixth lesson is seeking critics' opinions. While the majority of project managers avoid criticism of any kind, Elon Musk actively seeks it out as a means of enhancing his business and his ideas. According to his own words, he claims that he constantly seeks criticism. If you accept it in the correct spirit, criticism may teach you what you're lacking and is worth its weight in gold. Whatever you're doing, a well thought out critique of it is as priceless as gold. In addition, it may bring to your attention the aspects of your character that want improvement. In order to put this into practice in the work you're doing for the project, you should get sincere feedback from the members of the project team on both the project and yourself. Make sure you're in the appropriate headspace before you start so that you don't interpret things in a way that's not intended. It is essential to a successful project management career to gather feedback from stakeholders and then put that feedback into action. The 7th lesson is having a long-term goal and plan for a project in mind. You need to discuss it with the rest of your team and map out a strategy for how you will do it. You will be able to influence others on your team in this manner, and people will be able to align their efforts with the objective better. Elon Musk is a highly successful businessman who has a revolutionary vision. These ideas not only have a constructive impact, but they also bring about a fundamental shift in the manner in which the sector operates. Elon Musk co-founded PayPal, which revolutionized the business of sending money worldwide. As a result, he shows us the importance of having a vision that is both strong and transformative. Musk is constantly considering the big picture and how the initiatives he's working on now fit into the greater picture that he has. This not only helps to keep the team focused on the final objective, but it also guarantees that every choice is in line with the overarching mission of the organization. The 8th lesson is ruthless plan execution. Once you have completed the planning stage of the project, the success of the project will be contingent on how successfully the plan is carried out. The plan that does not result in any action is relegated to the status of a desire. According to Elon Musk, to put your concept into action, you must employ a creative team. With their help, you can develop sound strategies for your company. This will eventually lead to the successful implementation of your idea as well as good financial rewards. Musk is well known for possessing a strong work ethic and expects his employees to make the same level of effort. The 9th lesson covers integrity and work ethics in practice. It is essential for a team to operate cohesively together in order to avoid the project turning into chaos. The manner in which the project manager interacts with the project team must be fair and just. The occurrence of different opinions is frequently the cause of conflict. It is the responsibility of project managers to address the problem and keep the team cohesive. The project manager should maintain his concentration and get things done by segregating each activity into defined intervals, which should then be separated by brief intervals. It is a startling method that works well to keep one's drive and attention intact. During the day, week, or any other time you specify, you may create tasks, arrange breaks, and monitor your progress. The 10th lesson is factoring failures and having a fallback option. The main reason why we don't do what we desire is that we are afraid of failure. Instead of letting this fear stop you, you should acknowledge this and come up with a plan to handle its effects. Before Musk ever began the SpaceX program, Musk invested a total of $100 million in the enterprise. He promised that if he could not get a rocket into orbit with that funding, he would cease all activities and abandon the concept. The first 2 launches cost him a total of $90 million, and they were unsuccessful. The third launch, however, only cost him $10 million, and it was successful. In order for Musk's employees to produce breakthroughs in their work, he pushes them to take chances and think creatively outside the box. He is aware that the only way to innovate truly is to be open to the idea that failure is a chance for growth. At Musk's firms, failure is considered a learning opportunity, although mistakes are not penalized but used to inform future decisions. This helps to cultivate an environment that is open to experimentation and encourages members of the team to think creatively. I would like to conclude this video by saying, the project management lessons from Elon Musk include the importance of setting ambitious goals, fostering a culture of innovation and experimentation, constantly iterating and improving, maintaining a clear and transparent communication, leading by example, and focusing on the customer. Additionally, Musk emphasizes the need for efficient resource management, strong decision-making, and the ability to adapt to change. These lessons can be applied to any industry or project, and can help leaders achieve success in their own endeavors. So there you have it, 10 project management lessons we can learn from Elon Musk. With this, we have come to an end of this video. I hope it was helpful. Comment your thoughts in the section below. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, never to miss an update from the Invensis Learning channel. Also, if this has spiked your interest and you want to learn more about project management and its practices, check out Project Management Certification Training by Invensis Learning. We at Invensis Learning provide interactive instructor-led certification training by trainers with rich domain experience and expertise. We also provide mock tests to make you confident while appearing for the certification exams, access to case studies prepared by the industry experts, and personalized LMS with lifetime access that contain course resources. Thank you. Have a nice day.